Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Jeep Wrangler garage door opener. First, find the home link buttons in your Jeep, typically on the driver's side visor or overhead console. To begin, clear any previous programming by pressing and holding the two outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This ensures a clean slate for your new setup. Make sure your garage door opener remote has good batteries for the best signal. Now, let's program the system. Hold your garage door opener remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you want to program in your Jeep. Simultaneously press and hold both the chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. This indicates successful programming of the rolling code. For rolling code systems, there's one more step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and locate the Learn or Smart button. Press and immediately release this button. You usually have about 30 seconds to return to your Jeep. Once back inside, quickly press and release the home link button you just programmed 3 times. Your garage door should now respond, confirming the rolling code has been successfully learned. To finalize, test your newly programmed home link button several times to ensure it consistently opens and closes your garage door. If you encounter any issues, try repeating the programming steps or consult your Jeep owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Remember, patience is key. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.